through this worksheet 10-1. What's the first one, David?
Center.
Number one for D is E point of tangency.
A point of tangency. Abby, what do you have for that? Point of tangency.
D.
You have D? Yeah, you could have D. Could be one. Can you see another one, Tiffany? Another point of tangent. H. We've got a number of them here, Grant.
F.
F would be one right here. Wherever we have a tangent, just touching a circle, a number of them here. So for number one, we've got a number of options here. We have H, as was said. We have D, would be another one.
D. This is D.
And then we have F. And there's even another one. What's the other one, Victoria? E would be another one. So any of those options would be good. Point of tangency. All right, number two, Luke. What are we doing?
Number 2 is line FH.
Line FH. FH, this one here. Tiffany,
Common external tangent.
it's common, but it's not external. I didn't teach you this, so
Internal.
internal. Why is it internal, Luke?
Because it's in between two circles.
Kind of in between, yes. All right, so this would be common internal. Tangent means it's just touching, and it's common to both. Number 3, Roger, what do you have? What is it asking for?
Radius.
What is it?
CD. Number 3 is line CD.
AD, diameter?
CD.
CD. CD. What is CD? What is CD? Is it asking for?
The radius.
What do you have? A radius? Yes. CD is a radius for sure. Yes. Radius. Too far away now. All right. Number 4, Ariella.
Chord.
You're looking for a chord. What do you have for a chord? AB would definitely be a chord like this. Tiffany, sit up properly. Not like this, please. If you do it like this, you're not going to get full credit for it, or you might get no credit if you do it like this. So let me just go ahead and say no. It's going to be a chord, which is just a segment. And this should actually be a line that keeps going. Number 5, Josh D.
Number 5, they're looking for point C.
Number 5, Josh D. Oh, in the wrong place. Sorry.
Point C is the center.
Yeah, that's going to be the center of the bigger circle. Noah, number 6. That's C.
Line AD.
Line AC. Yes.
A, as in dog, as in.
Line AD. Is there a line?
AD is a line, yes.
That's not a line.
It's a segment.
So AD is the diameter. That's AD. All right, number 7, Grant.
Line AB.
All right, now we got a line. Line AB. Jessica B, what's that? Line AB.
Yeah.
Jessica. Jessica. Yes.
How do they say it?
Secant. That's a secant. All right, that's line AB. Intersecting the circle in 2 places. All right. Finishing off now, Bridget, the last one would be
DE.
line DE. Yeah, what is that? Line DE. Should really have an arrow here.
Common external tangent.
Yes, now we've got it on the outside. Common external tangent, common external tangent. Anybody get all these right? Okay, good review here. Excellent review for our test and also for our exam. Any quick questions on these before we go to something else? Vanilla?
Like, how do you find it?
You said DF
No, a secant.
or a secant? All right, the secant is a line, first of all, not a segment, it's a line, and it intersects the circle in 2 points. 1 point, 2 points. All right, it's different than a diameter or a chord, which is a segment, and this doesn't keep going, but the line, secant line keeps going.
And then what about chords?
Chord would be, let's see, chord is a segment. Starts at 1 point in the circle and it stops at another point. Okay, Amber, move to the other seat behind you. So that would be a chord right here.
But you said A, B before.
Yeah, and I'm glad you're saying that. Let me just give an example over here. Let's say we have a circle right here, and we have a secant line. Doesn't look like it's so good, but anyway, we could actually just, let's say if this were M and this is N, we could actually just break off this part of the line right here and make MN a chord. In other words, we just break off a couple parts of the line and make it a segment. Okay. All right, let me go to another one on your, yeah, this one right here, numbers 13 through 15. Let's do this one together. How many did this one completely? All right, let's go through this one step by step. Lacey, number 13. What are they asking us to do there? Draw what?
Draw a
Diameter.
yeah, segment.
Okay, would you like to try? Drawing it here?
Like on that?
Give it a shot. All right, it's not too hard. Once you got the line set up, you can just draw it straight through. Anybody want to try?
Me, I want to try machinery.
Tiffany, you want to try? All right. Yeah, just kind of keep your hand as steady as you can. The diameter, I think we're looking for. AB. Look, yeah,
Am I doing a diagonal?
diameter.
No, but is it on a diagonal?
Draw,
You take a
draw a line.
diagonal.
Just draw a line that makes it the diameter.
Yeah, start on the circle.
Right.
Yeah, right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Just
The radius.
No,
Yeah.
these are
Touch
congruent.
it.
I know, but he put a diagonal line.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. Look at the thing.
Go pick the horizontal.
I already picked it. I picked the line. You can draw it.
Yeah, you did.
I did. I already
That's
picked
a
it.
vertical.
Yes, it's going to be a vertical. It doesn't.
Can it be horizontal?
Right through there. That's it.
Miss a dot.
Okay. It could be horizontal. It could be any orientation. Let me just give it the names. What is it? AB?
Yes.
All right. So it would be A, B. That would be our diameter. But you could go that way with it. As long as it goes through point P, it's going to be a diameter. Let's take another one. Victoria, what's the second one?
Draw a tangent.
A tangent line. What's it called?
CD.
All right. Who'd like to try that? Luke, come over here and try because it might not work so well over there. Tangent line. I'm just going to choose this line for you here, but you can draw it wherever you want it.
This again. It's supposed to go like across the bottom.
Just touch. It's going to just touch one point on the circle. Just, yeah, there you go. Right there, nice. All right, you got a tangent line. What is it called? Does it have a name?
CB.
See?
Wouldn't have to touch the B though.
CB. Wouldn't have to touch, wouldn't have to be the bottom.
Yeah, what did
Oh, I
you
see.
do
Yeah,
about
we'd have to do it
You're
right there.
wrong, Luke. Can I correct
That's because he gave me a diagonal line. You can't do
you? You can change it.
All right, okay. I know, but it's a good tangent, I just wanna have it go through the B, so we don't have to have two Bs. Okay, so something like this, maybe,
Oh.
need to do more on it, let me try again. Almost. Maybe. Alright, so something like that, and where's the C gonna be? Maybe somewhere out here. Oops. It's not writing properly at all. Anyway, it's a line, CB. Alright, the point of tangency would be right here, B. Number 3, Josh E. What are we asking for?
A chord.
A chord. What's it called? DB, so this is gonna be a part of it. Who'd like to do it? A chord here. Alright, Maddie's gonna do it over here. DB, let me choose. It's your line. Okay, we already chose this line. So, DB coming up. Start from B. Start from B. Touch it at B. Right on point B. Right. Touch it and then stop right on the circle. No, come back. Yeah, right there. Alright, we got our chord. DB, let's put it right here. D, B, that would be a chord. What's the next thing, Joey?
We're at number 16.
We just did a
Yeah,
chord,
drop
DB.
Okay. The secant through point A.
Secant through point A. Alright, who'd like to come up here and do that? Secant through point A. Amber?
Oh, dang it, I can't
Let's see, come.
Okay.
Alright, I already have the line for you, come. Secant line through point A.
Wait, hold on, shouldn't it be like letters, like?
You know what a secant line is?
Yes, no wait, it's no line to a secant. Isn't it like A at the top and then a letter at the
It's
bottom?
gonna hit the circle twice, A being 1 point, and then, what's the other one?
This is the-
Just says the second point through A.
Through A, so just through A, and then another, crossing the circle in another place.
Okay.
Make sure you go through point A. Start a little bit, yeah, a little bit higher. Yeah. Touch it now, touch the tablet. Come through point A. A little bit up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit down. Yeah.
Is that too close? Should
No,
I
that'd be
move it?
fine. That'd be fine right there. Good. A little bit low.
Yeah, I know.
Look at
You
the
did
adjust.
that one.
All right, I just adjusted a little bit. Well, let me just come back again. Point A. Something like that. All right, so that would be a secant line through point A. And then we got one more, I think, to finish this.
What is the name of the radius of the figure?
All right, go ahead with the last one.
80.
What is the name of what?
Yes, of the radius.
Okay, so radius through, yeah, it'll be PB or, all right, PB or what?
AP.
Or AP, either one. Either one. Anybody got those all right? Not necessarily oriented like that, but you know what you're doing. All right, yes.
I got it right.
Got it right? Good. All right, I think maybe I'll just close it off there.